Hi friends, your first powerful question is, what if I could heal? I know sometimes the questions you ask yourself don't serve you. Things like, what's wrong with me? And why can't anybody help me? Those questions don't give you good answers. So do this for me. Every morning when you wake up, have a little piece of paper by your bedside that says, what if I could heal? When you go to sleep at night, look at that piece of paper again. What if I could heal? This powerful question is a game changer because it changes your perspective. And a change in perspective, a change in mindset takes an instant. It's like flipping on a switch. Changing your perspective and being open to the world of opportunity for health and healing is going to allow those things to come to you. So when you start asking, what if I could heal? People, resources will start to appear in your life. Because I know right now, you've been labeled. You've been labeled with a diagnosis more than likely. And dead-end treatments. And you've done things that haven't gotten you anywhere. I know. So start asking yourself this powerful question. And keep in mind the life that you're looking for. As you travel along this path of healing, sometimes you lose sight of what the real reason is that you're taking this journey for yourself. You are the priority. You have joys that you need to be experiencing, people that you want to have better relationships with. There are goals that you had in mind for yourself for this time in your life that maybe you can't really pay attention to because you're so distracted by your problem. So what if I could heal? Changes the way you'll see things and changes the opportunities that will appear to you. Do that for me, because we're taking this journey together.